We're going to actually we're going to show you guys specific examples in 5 different insurance policies where some of it can be a little bit vague,
Right.
ambiguous.
Right.
Some is clear cut, right to the point. And what we're going to talk about is the time limit to actually file a claim from the date of the incidents. And then we're also going to talk about or show you in different policies the actual time limit to complete those repairs, so that way you can recover your depreciation.
Yeah.
So
All sorts of confusion around this. I think it stems from the old school way of getting things done to what has occurred recently over, I'd say, the last 15 years. And most policies dictate from the date of loss,
mhm,
not, I repeat, not the date of discovery. Okay. That no
correct. That's a big
longer,
difference.
I haven't seen that in a decade or more, right? I've been doing this
Mhm.
going on 11 years and I don't remember a single policy. I could be wrong because I've dealt with almost 1,000 claims now, but I don't think I remember a single policy that has said from the date of discovery.
Yeah,
That's just me. Chris, have you seen one that's date of discovery?
I have not yet.
Right.
Nope.
And so what I want to make sure you understand as referral partners and insureds, property managers, whatever you might be, is that the policy is based on the date of loss as best
Mhm.
can be established depending on what type of loss. Hailstorm, windstorm, there's a ton of atmospheric evidence and information that you can base that date of loss on, which is what the insurance companies do with a hail history report or a wind history report. Pretty simple. Now, if there is a burst pipe in your commercial property that happened 3 weeks ago and you are out of the country and you're the only tenant, like that's kind of maybe a little less exact, but maybe based on the water usage and things like that, it can be found. So
Mhm.
I say all of that to just tell you that it's based on the date of loss, not the date of discovery.
Mhm.
Again,
Absolutely.
1 out of 1,000 policies might be date of discovery. We're not talking about that one. We're talking about the other 999 that's based on the
Mhm.
date of loss. So, with that said, Chris, what do we have for the folks watching?
Yeah, so we're going to show you some different examples of how this verbiage looks like and how you can kind of help find this verbiage, because
Right.
a lot of it's kind of the same, but a lot of it's different. So we're going
Right.
to
There's
show
just
you this.
nuances that are just slightly different
Exactly.
on each one, but they all pretty much say the same thing. So go ahead and pull it up, Chris. Let's take
Yep.
a look.